So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So video kali ni I want to show you guys all my Ducks Scarf collection and what is my favorite. This is the first scarf that I bought, which is I'm not a fan of a duck scarf by the way. Tapi my first scarf that I bought is the Merdeka Duck. I think this is 2018 edition. Yes, last year edition. I love the songket pattern and it has Malaysian map on it. Like wearing this, you can feel really Malaysia. You understand what I mean? Okay. So next, I will start with I think my premium collection. Okay. First of all, I have this. I think this is a chiffon. Not chiffon. This is meringue edition. I really love this because of like it's so nice. And bila you pakai pun dia macam cantik. So this is one and only my square collection. I really love shawl instead of square, but this one I beli because of color dia yang agak pelik and of course the material too. So I love this. And then next is matte satin collection. I kurang sikit lah with the matte satin because of this is not me, because this is not my style. And I tak pernah pakai this scarf. I beli but I tak pernah pakai. So I think I want to give this to one of my viewers. So if you guys want this scarf, comment down below and please subscribe to my channel. I will give it for free. Okay, next is from jersey collection. I have two. This is my favorite ever because of its black. This is always be my go-to scarf because of senang pakai and you don't have to iron it. You guys can just like selempang macam tu and you are ready to go. So untuk jersey collection, I ada dua. I have this color and this. If I going for travel, this is two scarf yang memang I akan bawa. Okay, and then move on next on the premium basic. Oh, instant. The one that I'm wearing now. And I have another one. I really love this instant because like you just masuk and twist and you are done. Okay, and it's so nice. I love. Basically, I akan pakai ni if I go to event, wedding. So cute guys, it's so cute. So this is two of my favorite color. So that's it for premium basic. And then move on next on the prince collection. On the prince scarf, the first one I have, oh ada satu lagi tertinggal, the black scarf. Ini pun like always be my go to scarf or travelling scarf sebab dia senang gila. No need to iron. You tak payah risau dia berkedut and so on. Like I love this collection too, but tak banyak colour yang I minat. So this is one of it. And I suka gila yang ni pun like you selempang je dia terus cantik. I should get more for this collection, I think. Okay, so kita move on kepada prince punya collection. The first one I have is the check mat. Yang ini in a color, I think this is in a color navy. I bought this on my birthday, so this is like present for myself. And I suka. So this scarf means a lot for me. So next I have the productive collection. I also love this because this is the first scarf yang I beli ada charms macam ni, of yang berjahit macam ni. So I love this. Yang ni mostly I akan pakai bila I keluar on weekend or going to work. And then next I have this. You got this. Oh my god, it's so nice. You guys can see me. So nice. So I beli ni because of I tak pernah ada scarf color yellow like this. So yes, I challenge myself to buy this color. I tak pernah pakai lagi this scarf because my level of self-confidence is very low. I tak tahu. Sometimes I tak confident nak pakai with this striking color. Well, tengoklah satu hari nanti if I nak pakai, or maybe I wanna give it to you guys too. I don't know. And then from the LE collection, I have one. This is Ducks X Disney because I really love Mickey Mouse, so why not have a Mickey Mouse scarf? Geram, cantik kan? Like I geram, oh I geram. And then next, I have the Dolly Duck collection. So ini pun antara scarf yang paling lama I ada. I love this because I love the prints, like kerawang-kerawang ni. It's so nice, guys. Okay, and then next scarf, it's from Bloodline collection, and this is my second scarf yang ada charms bergantung macam ni. I like it. Like, kalau you cuci, you boleh buka je benda ni, so safe lah bila you masuk dalam washing machine. And last but not least is the turban. So to be honest, this turban I beli dah lama, but I never wear it. Like I beli setakat untuk my collection je kot. Because of kita tak biasa pakai turban, but I need to have one of the collection actually. So that's it. I love all my scarf and I should get more after this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys like it. I saja je buat video ni sebab I bosan. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel. I really need your support, and comment down below what kind of video that you guys want me to do. And it's what I say, I'm gonna give this scarf for free to one of my subscriber. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and comment down below if you want it. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Oh, by the way, please ignore my nails because I don't know which one to decide. Well, we are girls and we are complicated.
Dalam banyak-banyak scarf, mana yang paling mahal?
Yang paling mahal I beli is this one, the Merdeka Duck. It's about 300 ringgit. Yang lain mostly I beli with the discounted price. So yang ini also, and the Disney X Duck. That's it. Bye bye.